error message 013-1300 or 013-1301. There's a problem with our provider login service. Okay, if you're trying to do an app on either the Amazon Fire TV or the Amazon Fire TV Stick, either one, I want to show you how to fix the problem. So what I want you to do while you're in on the TV, what I want you to do is go all the way to settings, which is that little gear shift right there. Okay, go to settings, go down, and what I want you to do is go to applications, and then from applications what I want you to do is go to manage installed application, and then go to the app that you're having problems with. So for example, if I'm having fun with Funimation, I'll go ahead and click on it. And then what I'll do is I'll do clear data, and then after it clears data, I'll clear cache. And that should fix your problem. You might have to restart it, turn it back on, and see if you're still getting that error. If you do still get the error, go ahead and uninstall the app. Just uninstall it. You might have to do a force stop first, but uninstall it, reinstall it, and then see if you get the error. But that should fix your issue. Alright, thank you for watching.